Hey everybody, today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video of my latest Amazon purchase. This is the Rechargeable Shaver by the brand OriHea. As with all my purchases, I bought this with my own money. I like doing these videos just in case there's somebody else out there who's thinking about buying the same item and they want to get an idea of what does it look like when it comes in. Just see an unboxing video. So let me see if I can get you a picture of the tag on it, and then we'll open it up to see what we get. Wow, so I've got a couple different boxes in here. Let me make sure I get them all out. Okay, here we go. Get an Amazon thank you card. A user manual. Actually, let's take a look at the accessories and stuff first. Nose and ear trimmer accessory. Few different guards, 3mm, 5mm, and 7mm. Cleaning brush, and then a standard USB charging cable. Another head accessory, this would be more for neckline, beards, goatees, stuff like that, mustache. This is the regular head, assuming you want to use it if you're bald for shaving your head, or I guess other areas. It does have a plastic cover, nice hard plastic cover. Snaps back into place. And then the razor itself. Shows usage time as well as battery life. Nice power button that sticks out. Easy to know if you're hitting it or not. Anyway, that's a quick unboxing. I hope it helps.